Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about some M365 admin folder features. Previously we are discussing about the one of the feature of the supports, and today we are going to discuss about the setting. Under the setting have the multiple options available over here. So firstly we'll discuss about the domain section. Okay, in the domain section what you will get and how you can define your domain over there. So there is an option to add domain, and once you have clicked the add domain option, you just put your custom domain over there like xyz.com, and just go down and check use this domain. And once you have clicked use this domain, it will give you the uh, DNS record to verify your domain first. Okay, you have to select add txt record domain DNS, and next now you can see it, you will get the features of this txt record and txt values, ttl. So these record you can add in your hosting provider, or you can say where you have purchased the domain, like bluehost. You have purchased from godaddy, so you can add this domain over there. Once you have added, it will take 2 to 3 minutes to verify it, and once you have verified it, you just click on the verify section. So once you have verified it, it will automatically verifying your domain. Okay, so your domain is purchased from the correct provider, or your domain, you are the owner of that domain or not. So once you have, it will check it, it will add your domain here. So I just removing this custom domain. So once you have verified, it will give you the option to next, to move forward. So once you have nexted, you will get these options like mx record, txt record, cname record. So having a option or having a meaning of these records. So basically, you know that what I did previously, I just verify it and I close it. So what they did, it will add your domain, but in it's showing the status incomplete. So why, when we use that scenario, okay, so once you have purchased, for example, if you are using the mailing solution from other provider, or you can say from Google, for example, and you need to migrate your data from Google to M365. So in that scenario, what you need to do, you have to migrate the data, the existing of mailing data from your Google to M365. You have to add the domain first. Okay, so domain first. Why? Because if you are adding the half domain over there, not fully configured, you are just configured half. Okay, so once you have configured half, it mean it allows you to create a mail ID over there. Okay, and you can just add the assign the license, and you can start the migration first. So why I am saying that start migrating first, because if you can bear, like my organization doesn't want that previous mail, it they want the recent mail, I can migrate uh, futurely. Okay, in future I can migrate it up to us. I can migrate from one day, 2 day, 3 days. It's up to you. But most of the companies require the old mails. Okay, they don't want to um, manage any downtime. Okay, so at that time, what you need to do, you have to configure the domain first half, and then you can create a mail id and assign the license and start migration. Once your migration has been completed, then you can configure your domain fully from over here. So you can put these records in your DNS record, in your godaddy and any portal, and then you can start working on the M365. So at that time, you can use both the mailings over there. So this for the migration, and previously you can use for your current works. Likely your company is already using a mailings or mail for sending and receiving with their client. So these thing that you can use it. Okay, so what is the use of these option, that the type of the mail exchange, yeah, or we can say the Microsoft Exchange records. CNAME is basically for your discovering your mailbox in your desktop based application, online as well as. Okay, so if you are configuring your Outlook on your mobile, it will discover through this auto discover option. So once you can see the outlook.com. So if somebody is install the application on their mobile, their desktop, they can put their mail ID and password, and it will automatically connect it. So what they did, they do through this auto discover option. And the txt is verifying the protecting your spf level of features, the protection it will give you on your mailbox for spam and everything's. mx is the main feature of the record, it's mail exchange record. So once you have configured your mail exchange record of like this in your dns, it will redirecting your mail from your current mailbox to m365. For example, if you are using the g suite and you have use or add these record in your your domain, or you can say the DNS portal. So what they do, they will remove the Google from there. Your mail automatically redirect to the M365. So that's why I'm saying that if you have the data in your current mailing solution, you have to migrate first, and you have select a particular day to configure this option. So why I am saying that particular day, that when you can uh, bear the downtime. Why I am saying, because sometime the dns provider take 24 hours to update the record. Sometime it will take 10 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay, but some of the, we can say, the third party, if you are using, or server you are using as a dns, so at that time you have to bear the time, you have to bear the downtime to, you have to take the 24 to 48 hours for as a downtime. Sometime it's very rare, but I give you the suggestion to manage or keep in mind that downtime can be happen. Okay, so we'll discuss about the next feature in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thanks for